What's up, guys? So today we're gonna run the stock Hellcat against the stock Demon on a roll. We're gonna do a 20 roll and a 40 roll, 20 to 120, 40 to 140, and see how the stock Hellcat stacks up against a stock Demon. So like I mentioned before, my Hellcat's bone stock just on a drag radial. This is a Nitto NT05R 315 3520, and I put these on there to get traction. These tires work a lot better than stock. So yeah, besides just my drag radials on this car is bone stock. I've got a Billet Technology oil catch can, but that's it, which that doesn't, help the performance at all. But yeah, bone stock Hellcat, just on a drag radial. We're gonna see how it stacks up against the Demon with the 808 PCM in there, 808 horsepower. We have not put the 840 horsepower PCM in the car yet. We're waiting on the dealer to let us in after hours and do it so I can get a video of it. So yeah, as of right now, the Demon is bone stock with the 808 horsepower PCM in it. I got a Billet Technologies oil catch can on this as well, stock airbox, and then so our front tires finally showed up for the front runners for the Demon. We ended up going with the Mickey Thompson Sportsmans. They are the 28 by 6 18-inch front radials. These are a radial tire, not a bias ply like the M&H tires that most Demon owners are running. We wanted to go with a radial because it's much more stable up top at higher speeds, and we actually tested this car up to 150 miles an hour on the highway, and it drives just as normal and not as sketchy at all. It drives the same as it did with the factory 18s on the front, 18 by 11 or whatever comes on the Demon. But yeah, we're very happy with these tires. So today we're going to run the Demon against my Hellcat as it sits stock for stock. The Demon also, as you know, comes factory with the Nitto NT05R drag radials and a 315 40/18. And both of these cars definitely work good on these drag radials. They definitely hook up nice. So for this video, we're just going to do a couple roll races. We're going to do a 20 to 120 roll race and a 40 to 140. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think is going to happen on the 20 roll. What do you guys think is going to happen on the 40 roll? The Demon comes stock with 100 more horsepower than the Hellcat, but it does have 309 gears where the Hellcat has 262 gears, so this has got more of a highway gear. The Demon's got more of a drag 0 to 100 gear, better for drag racing, etc. So yeah, let's see what happens here. We're gonna run the Demon against the stock Hellcat, so stay tuned. Well guys, there you have it. Stock Charger Hellcat against a stock Dodge Demon with the 808 horsepower PCM in it on the front runners. We did the 20 to 120 pull, the 40 to 140 pull. What'd you guys think? Comment below, let me know your thoughts on both races. One thing that bothers me about the front runners on the Demon is that they sit so far in the wheel well. Being that it's a wide body, as you can see, they sit way too far in. They need to come out about 3 inches. Now I know if you put a 3-inch spacer on there, obviously the lugs aren't going to be long enough to bolt the wheel down. So we're looking for a company, or if any of you guys know of somebody that makes a 3-inch spacer, a hub-centric spacer with lugs, to bring this front runner out so that it's flush with the wheel well. Comment below, let me know what you guys come up with, because man, this here, I don't know about you guys, but that bothers me. So we need to get that out. Some of you guys have been asking me what wheels I have on my Hellcat, you know, in the comments, but these are Ferrata wheels. They are the FR4 design, and they are 20-inch by 10.5-inch wide all the way around. The front tires are 275 40 20s. These are Pirelli P0s. These are the summer tires that came stock on the car. But as you can see, they have the concave look, the deep dish design. Sorry, they're super dirty right now. I've been driving the car every day and it's filthy. But these are 20 by 10.5 as well in the rear. Obviously wrapped in the Nitto NT05R tires, and they are 315 35 20. And I recommend using these tires on any stock Hellcat, even a modified Hellcat. These tires work great. Almost dead hooks from the stop, and it works great from 40 rolls, 20 rolls. These tires are great. make sure you go ahead and browse the channel and subscribe. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video. Peace.